Hello everyone, I'm Ligo. Today's topic is find the ideal type of Kim Yu-jung. I'm finally going to try to find my ideal type for Kim Yu-jung, who is so pretty. I prepared it before Lunar Year's Day, but I have to do it now because there are a lot of applications that I received in advance. This game is a fortune game, but it has nothing to do with the truth. My YouTube friends Saju wrote the list in the picture. One person on the list had no birth information, so I randomly changed it to another person for one person. Thank you, Saju, for making the list. Then Sherry analyzed to find Kim Yu-jung's fortune ideal type. First, Kim Yu-jung is a candor in her fortune. She is a person who has a lot of thoughts and warm heart. Kim Yu-jung has rather weak energy in the letters that refer to her. Kim Yu-jung has a good artistic sense of expressing herself, and wealth accumulates through these activities. In addition, energy flows directly to the letter referring to honor and man. Kim Yu-jung will continue to act steadily and the result will be good. But one disadvantage is that there are two conflicts in her fortune. It's easy to get sensitive. However, this sensitivity will help her show good acting skills. And she's in conflict with a man, and if he's the same actor, this problem can be solved somewhat. The list that Saju wrote in Kim Yu-jung's Finding Ideal Type list is 박보검, 정국, 차은우, 수호, 여진구, 송강, 김수현, and 안효섭. It's a game where two people play a game to decide the final winner. First of all, I hope that the man has strong confidence because Kim Yu-jung's character is somewhat weak. Since Kim Yu-jung has a conflict with her fortune, I hope his personality is smooth because he has a good flow of energy in his fortune. And I hope someone who has the energy to be nice to women. Let's start the game. 박보검 has a clear and good woman's energy. 정국 also has the energy of a woman and he is good to her. The game is getting tough from the first round. However, 박보검's woman is active in social activities and is loved. So I will win 박보검's victory. The first game is 박보검's victory. 차은우 has the energy to be nice to women and her activities are very active. But his energy is a bit weak. 수호 has a clear woman's energy, but he doesn't have the energy to be nice to her. So the second game will be 차은우's victory. The second game is 차은우's victory. 여진구 is located in a place where the woman's energy is very clear and powerful. And I'm sure he's good to women. By the way, 송강 has 5 of his own energy, but it's a special structure that doesn't have the energy for women. I'll go with 여진구's victory. The third game is 여진구's victory. Next is the match between Kim Suyeon and 안효섭. Kim Suyeon is very sure of a woman's energy, but it doesn't have the energy to be nice to women. 안효섭 has a coalition, so his energy to be nice to women has become very weak. I will win Kim Suyeon, who has a clear female spirit and is good at her part. Game 4 is over. Now through the battle between Park Bo-gum and Cha Eun-woo and Yeo Jin-gu and Kim Soo-hyun, we will play a game for the winners. Park Bo-gum and Cha Eun-woo's fortune is clear about the woman's energy, and they are also good to the woman. Rather, Cha Eun-woo's woman looks good because she is in a stronger position. However, Cha Eun-woo's woman has wooden energy, but she has earth energy on both sides. So she seems to have a lot of work to do. So she doesn't look comfortable. Kim Yu-jung has a sensitive part, so I hope she's in a comfortable position. I'll go with Park Bo-gum's victory by a slight margin. Both Yeo Jin-gu's women and Kim Soo-hyun's women are in strong position. All the women are smart. However, Yeo Jin-gu has the energy to be nice to women, and her children's energy is certain. The flow of energy is very good. Kim Soo-hyun is a very smart woman and active woman, but he doesn't have the energy to be nice to women, and he's not sure about his child's mood. It's a close call, but I'll go with Yeo Jin-gu's victory. Then it's the last round. Both of you have excellent fortune. There are some things that are a bit disappointing. Park Bo-gum is combining the letters that mean women, and he has the energy to be nice to women. Also, a woman is very active, but he doesn't have child energy. Yeo Jin-gu has a very good flow of energy, so he has the energy to be nice to women, and his child's energy is certain. However, the woman's social activities are somewhat weak. It's a bit of a very slight margin, but both of you have a good fortune structure. However, most of all, Yeo Jin-gu, who has a good flow of energy, is comfortable in various situations, and the flow of energy is comfortable around women, will be the final winner. Through 7 games, I chose Yeo Jin-gu as the final winner. If the standard is someone other than Kim Yu-jung, there could be another result, but when I found someone who can accept Kim Yu-jung's sensitive and delicate side, I chose Yeo Jin-gu, and most of all, Yeo Jin-gu is a good fortune to meet a spouse who is very precious. I don't know the actual relationship between the two, but I found a good meeting through a lucky analysis. And please keep in mind that these results came out in just 8%. All of you are good luck, but it was a game where I found someone who fits well with Kim Yu-jung. Kim Yu-jung and the 8 people in the picture above, please develop further and be happy. Thank you. And thank you, Aisha Shosho. Subscribe, thumbs up please. Thank you very much. Bye.